Hello students, welcome to Nilachal Polytechnic. We have already studied about that what are the losses in the pipe. It is broadly classified into major loss and minor loss. Here in this video, I am going to explain about that how the loss of energy takes place due to friction in the pipe. The loss of heat due to friction in pipe can be determined by using two formulas. One is Darcy-Weisbach formula, another is Chayes formula. The loss of heat or the loss of energy of water per unit weight of water or fluid flowing through a pipe is given by HF, and HF is equal to 4 FLV square divided by 2GD, where F is known as friction coefficient, L is known as your length of the pipe, V is known as your average velocity or mean velocity of water in the pipe, D is the diameter of the pipe. We have length in meter, velocity in meter per second, and D meter of pipe diameter. The value of friction coefficient depends upon the type of fluid. If the fluid flow is laminar, then we are going to use the value of F as 16 by RE. If the RE value is greater than 4000, that is the turbulent flow, then we can say that F is equal to 0.079 divided by RE to the power 1 by 4, where RE known as Reynolds number. Reynolds number is given by the formula Vd by nu, where V is the velocity of the water, D is the diameter of the pipe, and nu kinematic viscosity of the fluid. While we are considering the frictional factor, in your problem it will be give us that the kinematic viscosity of fluid in stroke, the diameter of pipe is given to you, the velocity of pipe water also given to you. First of all, we have to find the value of friction coefficient. Then we are going to see that the F is depending upon the RE. So get RE value. If RE value is smaller than 2000, that is we have to use the formula 16 by RE. If it is more than 4000, then we have to use F is equal to 0.079 divided by RE to the power 1 by 4. Let's come to another formula given by Chayes is HF is equal to F dash by rho G P by A into L into V square, where HF is known as your loss of heat due to friction, F dash is the friction coefficient, rho is the density of the fluid, P weighted perimeter of the pipe, A area cross section of the pipe, L length of the pipe, and V velocity of the fluid inside the pipe. In our exam, it may be given that derive an expression for velocity of water from Chayes formula. Already we have HF is equal to F dash by rho G into P by A, L into V square. Let's consider the ratio of area of cross section of pipe to perimeter of the pipe. We know that D is the diameter of the pipe. Area of the pipe is equal to pi by 4 T square. The weighted perimeter will be given as pi T. The ratio of area of pipe to weighted perimeter pipe is known as your hydraulic mean depth, denoted by symbol M. M is equal to A by P. Putting value of area as pi by 4 D square, P as pi D, we can have D by 4 is equal to M. If D is the diameter of the pipe, then the hydraulic mean depth is given by M is equal to, that is 25% of the diameter, or that is D by 4. Now we are going to put this value of hydraulic mean depth in the main formula. HF is equal to F dash by rho g into P by A into L into V square, where P by A means 1 by P by A. So we are going to say that M value is there. 1 by M will be used. Now taking the V velocity to left side, and the rest of term will be equal to HF divided by F dash by rho g by 1 by M into L. Now separating the term, the velocity of jet or velocity of water through the pipe can be given as square root of HF by L. 1 by F dash by rho g means rho g by F dash, and 1 by M means M. So we are getting velocity as square root of HF by L into rho g by F dash into L. We can separate this term, square root of rho g by F dash into square root of HF by L into L. The ratio of loss of head due to friction per unit length is given as I, and square root of rho g by F dash is known as your C, that is known as your changes constant. Putting the value of rho g by F dash square root as C and HF by L as I, we can get that value, that V is equal to C square root M into I, where I is known as your hydraulic loss due to friction for length of the pipe, and M hydraulic mean depth. In this way, we are getting the changes velocity, or that is the velocity of water from changes formula as V is equal to C square root of Mi. While you are solving problem, this changes velocity formula will be necessary for you, and you have to remember V is equal to C square root of Mi, and the Darcy formula is given as 4FL V square by 2G. Thank you.